Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter of grammar, that is article. In previous classes you have already learned about this chapter. Today we'll go thoroughly about this chapter. So dear students, we'll discuss this chapter articles. As I ask you that in previous classes also you have discussed about this chapter and you know particularly some basics about this chapter, that you know that there are two kinds of articles. Those are definite articles and indefinite articles. So indefinite articles are a or an. These are definite or indefinite articles, while the is definite article. In the beginning of this chapter, we'll fill in the blanks with suitable articles for this revision exercise. So here, number one, a little boy broke a twig from the branch of a tree. He saw a man dressed in an old-fashioned coat. Number three, she was holding an umbrella with the black handle. Number four, the man is a teacher in a nearby school. He has an MA degree in English from the University of Bombay. So an is used before MA and the is used before university here. The teacher lives in a house near the post office. Today we'll discuss the uses of articles. We'll begin with indefinite articles. A or an is used only with singular countable nouns. It does not identify a specific noun. So these do not use with a specific noun. They are used with singular countable nouns only. We could not use a or an with plural nouns. For example, I found a 100 rupee note on the road. So here, a 100 rupee note means any 100 rupee note. It is not a specific thing. Okay, therefore we have used indefinite article a. The definite article the refers to a particular person or thing. Suppose something you know or something is described about a particular, means when a noun becomes particular or a thing or a person becomes particular, then we use the. It can be used with both singular and plural nouns and also with uncountable nouns. For example, the 100 rupees note you found belongs to me. Now here you try to understand, dear students, this the 100 rupees note. Why the? Because that is specific note that you found. So it is not any general note. The note which you found, therefore we have used the. Now exercise B, you try on your own or we'll discuss in our online classes. Before that, you try on your own, try to solve it, then we'll discuss the answers. Now we'll go through more about this indefinite article a, the uses of it. Before a singular noun beginning with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound, we use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So you know there are 5 vowels in English: a, e, I, o, u. So suppose a noun is there which begins with a consonant or consonantal sound, then we use a. For example, a kettle, a, a university, a one-way train. Before a proper noun which is either unfamiliar or holds a special meaning. Suppose a particular proper noun is familiar or special, then we use a. For example, uh, Neela wants to be a Tendulkar. Why a Tendulkar is used? Because he is known. Okay, Tendulkar, this surname, which is proper noun, which is well known, therefore we can use in such cases over there. With a number beginning with a consonant sound, for example, a 10 rupee note, 100 years. So some numbers are there which begin with consonant sound. We use a with that. Okay, then it comes before half when half follows a whole number, or rather half when it isn't. For example, 1.5 liter after half a liter. So here 1.5 liter. So we have used here with an expression of quantity. For example, a lot of time. So here it is an expression which indicates some quantity. A dozen oranges, a little while. In some exclamation before nouns, we use a such a mess, what a pity. These are the examples. Then, dear students, will go towards indefinite article an. Before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound, an is used. An ant, an egg, an umbrella, etc. Before an abbreviation beginning with a vowel or consonant with a vowel sound. Suppose though the later is consonantal but the sound is vowel, then we use an. For example, an MP, a MP. So though M is used, MP is there, the sound is vowel, therefore an MP is used. An MA. So before word beginning with silent H, for example, an air, uh, an R, an honor. So it starts with consonant H, but later is consonantal, but pronunciation is with vowel sound, therefore we use an. Then there comes definite article the before a noun that has already been referred to. For example, the lady that we met yesterday is my senior from school. Now here it is not use a lady, the lady, because she has become a specific lady. She has already been referred before in sentence which is referred over here. Before a singular noun representing a whole class. For example, the banyan is a popular tree. Here banyan indicates the whole class, therefore the is used before first ordinal, for ordinals, for example, first, second, third. So in that way, Mrudu was the first person to reach the venue. So before first ordinal before the ordinal first, generally we use the. Before an adjective when the noun referred to is understood and does not require more information. For example, the rich, the needy. So the rich means uh, it is indicated that all the rich, the needy. So needy means all the needy, therefore the is used before superlatives. You know, superlative forms of adjectives. For example, the most useful, the brightest, the most expensive, okay, the most beautiful. So if superlative form of an adjective is used, in that case we use the before proper nouns for rivers, seas, group of islands, mountain ranges, and universities. So which whatever the specific structures like rivers, seas, group of islands, mountain ranges, universities, the is used. The Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Himalayas, the University of Chicago, the Ganges, okay, the Atlantic. So in that way it can be used. Exercise C, dear students, you try to solve on the basis of our discussion. We'll discuss more about this exercise in online class. Now, very important point is that omission of articles. The definite article does not appear with proper nouns except in special cases. Omission means that we should not use any article. So what are the cases? We have a dinner invitation from the O O'Briens this evening, for example. The Paris of the 19th century was a fascinating city. He wants to be the Einstein of 21st century. Just go through these three examples. Okay, the definite article does not appear with proper nouns except in special cases. So you remember this? This definite article the will not be used with proper nouns without any special, some special nouns are there. The O brains here, the Paris, okay, the Einstein of 21st century. Then with proper material and abstract nouns, uncountable nouns used in a general sense. Justice has been done. So too much sugar is bad for your teeth. These are examples. So we do not have use any article over here. Why? With proper material and abstract nouns. With proper nouns we will not use. Then material nouns, for example sugar is material noun, and abstract nouns, justice is abstract noun. So we do not use article with abstract nouns, material nouns and proper nouns. With plurals, demands are expensive. Demands, so demands is a plural. We have not used any article, it is omitted. It is normal for opinions to differ. So with opinions, no article has come. With seasons, languages, subjects, parts of body and games, we do not use any article. Spring always fills one with hope. So spring always fills one with hope. She knows Chinese and Arabic. No article is there with Chinese and Arabic languages. Spring season. Don't let your nails grow so long. So nails part of body. So we do not use any article over there. With names of institutions used in general sense. He had to be rushed to hospital. The child hasn't yet started going to school. If some name of some institution, noun of some institution has come in a general sense, then we do not use any article. With predicative nouns denoting a unique question, that is a position normally held at one time by one person. For example, he was elected chairman of the board. She is a candidate for the post of president. You may have understood. For some position, unique position, we do not use any article. Then with certain phrases consisting of transitive verb followed by its object. Before anyone could react, the ship had caught fire. So unique, try to understand. With certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb followed by a object. So before anyone could react, the ship had caught fire. Mother has sent word that we are to eat on our own today. Every evening, the family sat down together break break bread. So here, unique positions which refer to particular person. Take the for example. Suppose some unique position is there which refer a particular person. For example, you wanted to show you when reference comes that chairman. Suppose you are using this chairman for a particular, not as a post but as a person. Then we use the chairman of United Cottons has resigned. The chairman here, chairman indicates some person. Then another example, the delegation will be meeting the prime minister today. So here prime minister is indicated as person, therefore we use the. This is the exception which you have to understand. Now there is exercise D which you will try on your own. Then we'll discuss it in our online classes. Then let's revise is exercise E. F. These two exercises are homework for you. So today we'll stop over there in this session. Uh, so what you have learned through this session, that has to be noted down. You try to make notes also on this.